for an afternoon nap. Yep. Now, the problem is, afternoon naps are very dangerous. If I fall asleep and I oversleep, then we got ourselves a problem. But I do have that DIY speaker that I made. No, is it a speaker? No, it's not. It's an alarm clock. The best around. Very powerful, and I think it will do the job. Okay, first step. We need to arm that baby. Okay, first step. Boom, it's armed and ready to go. Next step. I gotta set the alarm clock. All right, there we go. Alarm clock. What time should I wake up? All right, so let's do this. Boom, and okay. Boom, boom. It's ready for action. All right, alarm clock is set. Boom, all right, now, time to sleep. 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 Take this. Take that. Beautiful. All right, nice and cozy. Extra warm. Wait, I forgot something. Much better. Beautiful. The vibrations. Nothing better than waking up in style, listening to your favorite tune. The good thing is, at least I can listen to my whole playlist with this cool alarm. And listen to my favorite music while getting ready. That's what you call an alarm clock. Now, it's time to set the alarm clock for another day. This baby has many alarms to go. All right, time to take a nap. Setting your favorite song as your alarm clock in the morning is nothing new. But here's the thing. You set your favorite song. It rings. You switch it off. That's the end of that song. And the only time you're going to hear it is if you play it. That's the only time. But this one solves the problem. Because when your alarm goes off, you set your favorite song, it goes off, it rings, you switch it off. This thing continues that song and it will play your whole playlist until you decide, I'm ready to go. Let me just switch off the music. That's what this thing does. So you need music while changing. This thing will play that music. You change, and then when you're ready, you finally decide, I don't want any music. You switch it off. Now, let me tell you how it works. So we have this. This is your smartphone. This is where you set your alarm and your favorite song. Now, how it works is this phone, your phone is connected to an amplifier, an audio amplifier. And that audio amplifier is connected to this big subwoofer. So when your alarm clock rings, that subwoofer is going to make heavy bass. So you hear it. You gotta hear it. Alright, so let me demonstrate for you that the subwoofer is actually connected. Alright, so basically I'll do this and we'll do this. Alright, see, this is the previous video that I made. This is the audio. See, can you hear the bass? Alright, so that gives you the bass for your alarm, right? So when your alarm rings, this gives the bass. But the audio amplifier for the alarm plays two roles. One, it's connected to that massive subwoofer. And two, it gives you the signal that activates your second alarm. Your second alarm clock, which is the speaker here. That speaker is what plays all your favorite music, your whole playlist. So there's actually two audio amplifiers. So the first one is your signal and the second one is what plays all your music. So this is how it works. Let me show you activation. So this one activates your relay. So the switch activates the relay. Boom, it's now on. Now the second audio amplifier cannot work without a signal. So that's why you need to set the alarm. Okay, let's just play a song or a video. All right. Okay. As you can see, I played the video and I press pause on it, but that is still playing music, right? In order to switch it off, you just do that. All right. Okay, so that's how it plays music for you. So the audio amplifier inside has an SD card that will allow you to select all your favorite songs. Yeah, so that's how it works. What else can I show you? I think that's all, but I can show you more detail. So we have your speaker right here that plays all your music. I'll disconnect it. Boom, it's disconnected. Put that down. Now we have this. Right? What I'll do is I'll disconnect that as well. But then you also have your subwoofer that's connected and it's going to be hard to remove. Right? Yeah, really important. Anyway, so this is what it looks inside. Your two amplifiers. This is what switches on off your relay right here. See this. So when you play your music on and then off, let's just reconnect this. Boom. All right, there we go. So as you can see, your relay is on and then the light is also on. And then when you switch it off, it switches off. So that's all, quite simple. I love simple things and that's how it works. Everything in this box is powered by this small AC adapter that has an output of 12 volts at 6 amps. Alright, thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. Hope to see you in another video.